Another day, another book summary. Welcome to Page Turner's Book Cafe, where we delve into the world of literature and explore captivating books. Today, we present a summary of The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, a timeless masterpiece that has revolutionized the way people approach investing. Let's uncover the wisdom, core principles, and fascinating facts behind this legendary book. The Intelligent Investor serves as a comprehensive guide to intelligent investing, written by the renowned economist and investor Benjamin Graham. First published in 1949, this book continues to resonate with readers today, offering invaluable insights into the world of finance. Graham's teachings in The Intelligent Investor focus on a fundamental principle: investing is not speculation, but rather a disciplined approach to wealth creation. He emphasizes the importance of thorough research, analysis, and patience to make rational investment decisions. Graham believes that by adopting this mindset, investors can navigate the unpredictable nature of the stock market and achieve long-term success. Key lessons of investing. Invest with a margin of safety. Graham emphasizes the concept of a margin of safety, where investors buy stocks at prices significantly lower than their intrinsic value. This approach protects against market downturns and minimizes the risk of permanent loss. Embrace a defensive investor mindset. Graham distinguishes between two types of investors: the defensive investor and the enterprising investor. The former aims for steady returns through a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds, while the latter seeks out individual stocks and engages in active investing. Conduct thorough fundamental analysis. Graham stresses the importance of analyzing a company's financial health, earnings, and management before investing. By focusing on long-term performance rather than short-term market fluctuations, investors can make informed decisions. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, credits The Intelligent Investor as a guiding force in his investment philosophy. Buffett studied under Benjamin Graham at Columbia University and has frequently praised the book for its timeless wisdom. He once called it the best book on investing ever written. Graham's 2 rules of investing. Rule number 1, don't lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. 3 key principles of investment. 1. Invest with a margin of safety. 2. Conduct thorough research and analysis. 3. Adopt a long-term perspective. The most fundamental rule of investing: buy low and sell high. The 5 pillars of investment. 1. Patience. Avoid impulsive decisions and allow investments to grow. 2. Discipline. Stick to an investment strategy and avoid emotional reactions. 3. Diversification. Spread investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. 4. Education. Continuously learn and stay updated about financial markets. 5. Risk management. Assess and mitigate risks associated with investments. The 5 best practices of investment. 1. Understand your investment goals and risk tolerance. 2. Create a well-diversified portfolio. 3. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. 4. Keep investment costs low. 5. Maintain a long-term perspective. The Graham 75-25 rule suggests that investors should allocate 75% of their portfolio to stocks and 25% to bonds, adjusting the ratio based on individual circumstances. Relevance and suitability. The Intelligent Investor remains highly relevant today, despite being published over 7 decades ago. Its core principles of value investing, risk management, and a disciplined approach to investment are timeless. However, beginners may find the book challenging due to its technical aspects. It is advisable to supplement the reading with other introductory resources before diving into Graham's work. Conclusion. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham continues to inspire investors worldwide with its principles of intelligent and rational investing. By understanding the value of research, analysis, and patience, readers can navigate the complex world of finance with confidence. Remember, investing is a journey, and Graham's teachings provide a solid foundation for building wealth in the long run. That concludes our summary of The Intelligent Investor. Stay tuned for more captivating book summaries at Page Turner's Book Cafe. Happy reading and investing. Thanks for watching.